Hello guys! Good morning Philippines! Kasi gabi sa amin, so obviously good morning sa inyo. Time check. Let's go time check first. Oops! Come on. Hawak-hawak ko po ang ating laptop. Dito po 6:47 p.m. Here in Indiana where I live. 6:47, so it's 7:47 sa inyo guys. So anyway, today, ang topic natin, tayo ay question and answer, or let's talk about people comments. Yeah, wala lang. Kasi today, dahil wala na kaming work, tapos syempre nagbabasa ako ng mga comments ninyo, syempre, I enjoy those. Syempre may mga haters din. Ganun talaga. May black and white. Palagi may opposite, di ba? Okay lang yan. Anyway, see this? I only have a few that I like to kinda talk about sa ating mga subscriber, sa ating mga follower, mga question lang. Yun lang. That's it. Kasi dahil off na kami sa work, naka-catch up na ako ng konti kong mga editing, tsaka na-burn out na rin ako. Tapos, boring ngayon guys dahil, alam nyo guys, kahit kahit malamig sa labas, basta ang wish ko lang talaga may araw. But lately, malamig na, tapos wala pang araw. Very, very depressing. Yeah, kaya yung mga itsura namin, puro ganito. Nakapambahay. Kasi guys, ang lamig. Wala pang snow yan ha, wala pang snow. Pero walang araw, wala namang snow, very cloudy, pero malamig. So, it's like depressing. So, ngayon, naisip ko, nasabi ko, bakit hindi ko kaya, subukan na magkwentuhan tayo. By the way, guys, remember dun sa last video ko na gumawa ako ng turon? Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, yung anak kong bunso ko may sakit. Ngayon, gumaling na siya, pero inuubo pa rin. Yung asawa ko naman, syempre katabi ko siya, ako naman. Pero wala akong fever, medyo, yung dito ko, ubo-ubo, ganun. Pero, kaya natin yan, kakayanin natin yan, tayo ay magkukwentuhan ngayon. Okay. Saan tayo mag-uumpisa? But, okay, before we start, I'd like to thank you, all of you guys first, okay? All the haters, thank you for all the comments. You just telling me how you feel. Okay, that's count. I understand. And all the supporters, man, I love you guys. Think about this. I just start vlogging, okay, guys? Sana minsan konsiderasyon naman ninyo, no? Like, ang hirap palang maging reporter. I said that reporter kasi pag nandun na kami sa break room, meron lang kaming 20 minutes. 20 minutes, okay? Siyempre, anong gagawin ko sa 20 minutes? Hindi ko pwedeng sayangin yung 20 minutes. At hindi ko rin sila pwedeng kausapin. I want them to enjoy their food also, di ba? Pero, dahil ini-enjoy nila yung food nila, ako rin, magtatanong din ako, di ba? Pero, I respect them. And then, before I ask them, I always ask their permission. I ask their permission behind the scene. Okay. Ito yung I just pull a few comments ng mga tao na yung umiibabaw, okay? Doon pala sa egg roll, lumpiang gulay, okay? I'm not trying to defend myself, okay? You guys can take whatever you guys want. You guys can judge me, whatever. Like I always said, it's either you love me or you hate me. Pero, on my part, in my side, ang masasabi ko lang is, doon sa lumpiang gulay, guys, wala naman akong masamang sinabi. But I remember my coworker asked me, what is tofu? They don't know what tofu. I got no time to explain. There's so many people coming to me. I cannot focus on one thing. Di ba? Napapansin nyo, parang, like I always told you guys, organic. what you see, what you get. When they come, like, let's go, get it done, you know, kasi we only got 20 minutes. That's all we got. And then they have to use the bathroom. They have to do this. You guys think whatever you guys want to think. But I'm just telling you guys, okay? Ganyan ang buhay namin dito. 20 minuto ang break time. Anong makukuha mo sa 20 minutong break time? Not much, di ba guys? So, ang gagawin mo, magbanyo ka, kakain ka, mag-ihit ka pa ng microwave, blah, blah, blah. And then, you're gonna walk and go to your line. So, doon sa lumpiang gulay, I get bashed all the time about the tofu. Guys, I know what tofu is. I know what tofu made of. Come on. We grow up in the Philippines. Meron tayong tinatawag tokwat baboy. Alam ko yan. But I don't have time to explain little by little. I just said to get it done, let's Google it, look on the picture, and that's it. Yes, I have to move on to the other people. That's it, guys. Yeah, but I got a lot of bash. Oh, you don't know this? I do. I just didn't answer it, like all the explanation, because I don't have much time. That's all. But what can I say? All right, one more on this one. Someone asked me, or there's a few people like asking me why I'm not asking people, or bakit hindi ko binebenta yung food? Bakit binibigay ko yung food ng free? Okay, that's a good question. And let's talk about that. Okay. Ready na tayo. Anyway, guys. Dito sa Amerika, hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta magbenta lang. Especially karne. Okay? Ang ginagawa ko sa trabaho, I introduce my authenticity, Filipino, traditionally, food. Because I live in the place na para siyang probinsya. Again, probinsya. Ang mga tao, tight. Sino ba naman ang bibili ng pagkain every day? Or 3 times a week, di ba? So, lalo na ngayon, ang mahal ng mga bilihin. Kaya ang mga dinadala ko, naka-budget meal lang sila, okay? Tsaka guys, what's wrong bringing food at work and introducing my Filipino food? Why is it making a big deal about it? You know? So, just support my channel. Don't be haters, for God's sake. Ang pagkain dito, pag magbebenta ka ng pagkain dito, I wanna make sure na hindi short, kasi may ugali ako na yung dila ako bulol-bulol, okay? Ang style dito sa area ko, I'm not talking to other people, my area, okay? Hindi ako pwedeng basta-basta magbenta ng pagkain. Kasi may tinatawag tayong mga batas. Kailangan meron akong lisensya na qualified ako magbenta. If something happened to that person, meron akong papel na ipapakita. Kaya ako, behind the scene, kinakausap ko yung mga coworker ko na if they want to try my Filipino food, they are welcome to try it. But make it sure, if they're allergic to this and to that, make it sure ask me behind the scene. Because like I said, we don't have much time, okay? It's like morely organic. What you see, what you get, and that's it. So, sa department ko, sa lugar ko, sa area ko, hindi ako pwede magbasta-basta magbenta. Kailangan ko pumunta sa process ng test, answer those, I have to have a permit. Yeah, I know, because meron po akong kaibigan dito na gusto niya magbenta ng pagkain dahil puro mga karni yun. Kailangan niya talaga magkaroon ng permit, ng papel na pwede siya magbenta. Pero pag mga dessert, medyo okay po siya. Ako po, nagbebenta po ako ng mga dessert. Nagbebenta po ako ng leche flan sa trabaho ko. Nagbebenta po ako ng macaroons. Tapos lately, I offer cassava cake with plant topping kasi na-i-introduce ko na yon. So, I asked them if they want to buy some. At saka yung mga cake, yon. Yung mga ganang bagay, hindi. Kasi hindi siya meat. Alam niyo yung mga sa Manila, they are very conservative about that stuff. Kaya, ayaw ko i-post sa inyo. Ayaw kong ipakita sa inyo na nagbebenta ako, whatever. I kinda like hiding it, okay guys? Hindi ko pwedeng ipakita lahat sa inyo ng bagay dahil all these people all over the world can see me what I'm doing. And it's okay kung meron tayong mga papeles. Yung mga bagay na ganyan, hindi pwedeng basta-basta ibebenta lang. Pero yung mga friends kong Pilipino, pag nagsabi sila, okay lang. Kasi Pilipino yun. Pag mga puti, mga American, hindi tayo pwede mga ganyan basta-basta. Oh, bakit nagdadala ka ng Filipino food sa trabaho? Yes. I bring Filipino food at work. I introduce my Filipino authentic food. But behind the scene, I already talked to them about their allergy. That's it. Bakit mo pinapakain yung mga tanggay? Okay. May nagsabi po, bakit hindi mo pakainin yung mga taong naghihirap? Nandito po kami sa maliit na probinsya lang. Like I said, hindi po kami nasa New York, hindi po kami nasa Chicago, California, Florida. We only on the small city. Parang nga po siyang probinsya. Okay, probinsya. Ang mga tao po dito kumakain sila, okay? Wala po kaming masyadong mga homeless. Wala po kasi nga probinsya siya. I-google niyo po, Indiana. Yes, small town. Seymour, Indiana. Small town. Tsaka ako po, ang akin pong YouTube channel is about me introducing my Filipino food to my coworker. And maybe someday, maybe I can open a small business. Ganun lang po. We start in a small dream. Okay. Ano pa ba? Oh yeah. We already talked about the lumpia. Okay. I know what tokwa is. We talk about this person. Ate, libre po ba yan? Bakit po libre? Sinabi ko na sa inyo ha. Hindi ako pwede magpakita na binebenta ko sa kanila kasi buong mundo nakakapanood nitong video ko at hindi lang Pilipinas ang nanonood kahit dito sa Amerika. Ayoko pong makasuhan or hanapan ako ng tax. Bakit nagbebenta ako under the table? Everything here is tax. And everything here is safety. Number 1, safety po. Paminsan-minsan, under the table. Under the table. Sa mga kaibigan ko naman po yun. Sorry kasi ako, nagkasakit na rin. Under the table lang siya. Yung simple lang. Pero yung ibibidyohan ko siya, no. Pero itong coming October, I'm thinking magbenta ng pagkain sa isang may tinatawag po kami ditong Oktoberfest. Para po siyang, Mardi Gras. Doon sa lugar ko sa Zambales, like Mardi Gras. Like, kino-close nila yung isang city, tapos iba-ibang pagkain ang ibinebenta. I'm thinking about that one. Pero, to do that, I think I have to go process. Like I told you guys, kailangan mag-test. Kailangan alam ko yung rules. Kailangan may certificate. Ganyan po dito. Okay, I think na-explain ko na. And bahala na lang po kayo humusga. At bago magtapos ang ating conversation, thank you po pala sa lahat ng mga good basher ko dyan. Na-appreciate ko po kayo. I'm very grateful at marami pa rin yung nagpupush sa akin na go, go, go. You know, you can do it. Thank you for spreading our Filipino food. Ganon. Nakakatuwa po talaga ng puso. Tapos po, yung mga taga-ibang lugar, shout out po sa inyo. May Australia, may Canada, may Pampanga, may Baguio City. Ang dami po talaga. Dumadami na kayo. I'm very, very grateful. Sana po maging maganda ang ating coming this 2025. Hopefully. But, thank you rin po sa mga basher dyan. Hindi lang nila iniintindi. Minsan kasi, alam ko kayo. Minsan, pinapanood nyo, tapos ini-skip nyo. Tapos kung ano lang yung nakita nyo, yun ang inaano nyo sa akin. Tapusin nyo lahat ng video para alam nyo, talaga. Yes. Kasi, katulad po yung sa may last na video ko, latest video ko, yung bihon, canton, and puto. I told you guys, I forgot the pork, the serving fork, tongs, whatever. Sabi ko, hindi na ako babalik, uwi ng bahay kasi mamimiss out ko yung time ng break time ng mga tao. Total, may malilit naman na pork. Tayo nga Pilipino nagagawa natin ng paraan. Sila din, magagawa nila ng paraan. Yes! Hindi naman tayo perfect. Nagugusan na ako. Nobody's perfect in this world. Diba? Huwag kayong haters. So anyway, I think, yun lang. Tatlo lang yung mga napili ko na very, very strong na mga subscriber ko dyan or mga nanonood ng channel ko na pinupush ako. Tsaka, ito yung pinaka naaano ako dito sa isang tao na to. Natutuwa naman ako sa iba. Sabi nila, bakit kasi pakailamera ka? Sabi niya ganun. Kasi sabi niya, if I can just mention her name, her channel, I would do it. But, you know what? I don't really care what people think. Because they don't know me. And they don't know my goal. They don't know what's going on behind the scene, you know? I mean, what are you guys thinking? That I'm just that stupid? Like, I don't ask people or explain to people? You know? And I can control people's mind. Like, sometimes, they ask me a silly question. Like, who does that, diba? We can't control people. We're just gonna go in the flow. And I always said, it's either you love me, you hate me. I mean, it's up to you. Yeah. See, someone said, like, there's so many out there are really hungry. No money to buy foods. I get it. But maybe for some area, some city, big city, we live in a small town and we got factory, we got a job. People over here, they don't have many homeless. No. Hindi po to katulad ng Chicago, Florida, whatever, na nakikita mo nandoon, nagda-drug sila sa kanto-kanto. Yung sa amin po, hindi. Ala, probinsya nga po talaga siya. At kung ikaw ay mag-stay sa aking channel, isasama ko kayo sa summer. Kaya, click the notification below. Subscribe ka na rin. Yeah. So, ang area namin is very like probinsya style. Diba sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi katulad sa malalaking city, alam nila yung Jollibee, alam nila yung mga Filipino restaurant. Wala po kaming ganun dito, okay? No. So, sa kanila, bakit bibili sila ng nilagang baka? Alam ba nila yun? It's not even look good, diba? Yan ang sasabihin nila. Kaya ako, open-minded ko lang sa kanila, hey, it's okay to try new things. If you don't want to try it, it's okay. If you want to try it, it's okay. It's up to you. I'm not forcing them. So as of now, okay naman po sila. Okay naman po sila mag-try ng mga Filipino food. Nagugustuhan naman po nila. Yeah, so yun lang ang mapag-uusapan natin. Natutuwa ako sa mga sa mga subscriber ko pag pinagtatanggol nila ako. Kasi naman minsan yung mga question ng mga basher, para namang mga tanga. Siyempre, I asked them like, someone said like, you should explain to them, you should write it down. I have no time to do that. I have no time to explain to them. I only explain to them the basic one. And I'm pretty sure, they get bored po, okay? Naboboard na sila. Ako nga, simple lang Parang makikita mo na they want to sit down na kasi nga 20 minutes break lang. Pero, syempre, yun yung sinign up nila sa akin. Sabi ko sa kanila, if you guys want to try my Filipino food, please can I ask you guys a simple question? And that's it. I just want to know what they think, what their opinion, and that's all. And then I leave them alone. Yeah. Nagtatrabaho po kami, lahat po kami magkakatrabaho. I've been working in that company probably like 13 to 14 years now. And most of them, I know them po. Yes. Halos sabay-sabay lang po kami. They used to like to give me a hard time. I promise. Magbibiruan po kami, nagjo-joke po kami, lalo na po pagdating sa break room. Nag-iinit po ako ng pagkain. They always give me a hard time. What's the smell? Blah, 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 blah. O ngayon, yung kinakain ko, pinapakain ko sa kanila, wala po silang masabi. Ha? But anyway, like I said, I know them po yung iba po 10 years, 8 years, I know them for 2 years, ganun. Kaya, lalo na si Kimber, I know her for like maybe 11 years na po. Opo, dalaga pa siya noon. Sila Amanda, I know them mga 5 years, 6 years, ganyan. Kaya po sinasabi ko sa inyo, we are just like a family. Yeah, para lang kaming pamilya. Kasi, kita kami everyday. So, I guess, guys, that's it. Napahaba na naman ang ating kwentuhan. Sana hindi kayo ma-bored. Please, like and share and click the notification below para pag ako ay nag-post ng mga bagay-bagay, makita nyo po kung kayo ay interesado. And thank you po sa lahat ng mga good basher dyan. Nakakataba po ng puso. Makes me happy and give me motivation to keep going. Doon naman sa mga basher na minsan makitid ang utak, bahala na kayo sa buhay ninyo. Hindi naman yan mawawala sa buhay. Palaging may mga basher na yan. So that's it for now, guys. Malapit na ang Noche Buena sa atin. Nakakamiss. Dito boring. Nasa loob lang kami ng bahay. Tahimik. Walang ginagawa. Nakatago kasi nilalamig. So yeah, that's it. At tabayanan nyo po yung video ko pag Christmas dito sa amin kasi dito po kami magse-celebrate ng Christmas sa bahay. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe and click the notification below para palagi kang updated. Thank you, Basher. Thank you. Mwah. Maraming salamat po sa aking mga subscribers, sa mga taong sumusuporta sa aking channel, at saka doon sa mga taong nagbibigay sa akin ng mga good wisdom word, yung mga taong sumasagot sa mga basher. I like that. Thank you po. So that's all for now. See you next time. Please support my channel po. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas, Philippines!